Another danger of getting hashes is that you know that with rainbow tables and sites that have the hashes of non-compromised password, sometimes you may get away by guessing that password. Not very likely, but if your password is not strong, that can actually be the case. Let's actually use that information. We're going to open, we have here ATA, we have a clean QReader as we have done in this series of videos. Let's open a terminal in the Kali machine, and let's actually run an RPC client in it. And let's say that through the hashes I figured out the password. What are the things that I can do? Well, let's say that I do not know how to use the RPC client, which is not the case. Hackers know how to use this, but you can actually do help and see all the wealth of commands you can actually do. Let's do some concrete examples. Let's enumerate the users in the system, and this is QReader is going to be able to catch this enumeration, and here we have them, right? Let's do some other commands. Let's get more details of user 500, and this command works in decimal, the other one is in hex, and here we get all the details about the administrator. And in QReader we get an offense precisely because we did the enumeration of those users. Let's display the rule, and here it is. This is a UBA rule. And if we go to ATA misses this one, and you know, you may say, well, this is not necessarily something bad. It may yield some false positive. Again, the idea is not to pick on ATA. It's a useful technology, but it's just to compare what you get with standard QReader logs with the right rules in QReader versus ATA. And as you see in this series of videos, ATA misses some of these. Again, some of them might be because they may yield too many false positives. Some of them is because ATA is not designed to catch those things. But just with plain Windows event logs, you can detect a lot of good things in QReader.